How to embed Google Drive in Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed Google Drive in Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a popular cloud-based platform that allows individuals and businesses to create professional websites with ease, regardless of technical expertise, in which Wix provides a drag-and-drop website builder, enabling users to design fully customizable websites without requiring coding knowledge. And it also offers a wide range of templates tailored to various industries, along with features like SEO, tools, blogging, e-commerce capabilities, and multimedia integration. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the login button in here at the top right corner. And after signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page. And in any of this website, I'm going to choose this one. So gonna click this edit site button to proceed. And upon doing so, we'll automatically be directed on this page right here, in which we can start navigating here using the drag and drop interface to start editing this website. However, to start embedding the Google Drive in Wix, the first thing that we need to do is to simply enter here or select this Add Elements button on the left side panel, in which this option will help us in navigating or embedding the Google Drive in Wix. But before that, let's start first by choosing the location of our embedded Google Drive in here. So at this point, I'm just going to delete some of these elements in here. And now to proceed, I'm just going to add here an elements of text. And to do that, just click again the plus button on the left side panel and click the text in here. And choose here the heading that you prefer. For example, I'm going to choose this one, which is heading 4. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply highlight this one in order to start changing the context in here. For example, I'm going to enter here the context, link to view the offer. Now after entering here the context that we prefer, the next thing that we need to do is to simply embed the link in here. And in order to do that, you need to proceed by simply highlighting this whole context, but before that, let's start to change the location of it in here. Now by simply clicking, after highlighting this one, just click this link icon in here, and upon clicking on it, it will show us in here where we can start pasting the Google Drive. So just simply go to our Google Drive in here, and simply choose here the file that you want to link or embed. By simply clicking this one, just click the 3 dots on the right side panel, and click the share button in here, and click again the share. And on this pop-up window, under General Access, can click this restricted and turn it to anyone with a link and set as a viewer, editor, depending on your preferences. And I'm going to choose this viewer, in which by simply copying the link after setting it to viewer, you simply go back to this page. And on this pop-up window, you simply paste it by simply clicking again this one, link option, and it will show us where do you want to link to. If your different page, web address, top or button page, document, but in this page, I'm just going to select here this web address since we're trying to embed the link of our Google Drive. Then paste the URL or link in here and click this done button. As you can see, the context in here has been highlighted where the link has been integrated of this file in our Google Drive. And that's the other way on how we can start linking or embedding Google Drive in Wix. Now the other method is by simply clicking 3 dots again or simply opening this file, for example. And after opening it, just click the 3 dots on the top right corner and click open in new window. In which on the next window in here, the next thing that we need to do is to click again the 3 dots on the top right corner. Then just click below this embed item option. And in here, it will show us the code where we can start double clicking on it and copy the code. Then proceed to go back to this page of Wix and click the Add Elements button on the left side panel, and below kindly select or find the Embed option. And after clicking this embed code, just select Embed HTML, and after that, on this pop-up window, just simply paste here the code. Then click Update button to proceed. And upon updating it, you'll automatically see the result on your Wix, where you can start changing the size of it by simply dragging the corner of this image or file of embed code from our Google Drive. So now as you can see, we've now successfully embed the code or the link in our Google Drive in here to our Wix website. And embedding a Google Drive link in Wix website is important, especially for improving content accessibility, collaboration, and resource sharing. And it allows website visitors to easily access, view, or download files such as documents, presentations, images, or videos directly from Google Drive. Now, by previewing this one, it will show us in here what it looks like. But overall, that is just basically how you can embed Google Drive in Wix. Thank you.